what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a kind of like a Chromecast type unit. It's from BuzzBox, okay, BuzzTV. You know them because they have absolutely fantastic products. And I think you're really going to like this one. It's a dongle style. Doing, doing, doing. Hey, anyways, it is a dongle style where this is your HDMI. Now, if you don't have a spot yet and or you don't want to run another cable, or you don't want to hang this off, they do make adapters. It's a female to female, so you can just plug an existing HDMI cord into it. But this is, like I said, it's small, it's compact, has a heck of a good software system on it. I'm going to show you all that here in just a second. Is it going to be worth it? What's it going to rank? Stick with me on this and you'll see. Well, as you can see from the box, it does have the 4K, the TS slot, the USB, the 4 gigabyte. Let's go ahead and let's get this open and we'll see what we got. Now, I do like the way it's boxed up. Very professional, very hard case, nice sleeve, the whole bit. They put a lot of thought into this for a nice presentation. Now, this is your information card that we can go over and see exactly what it does. Now, you can use your phone to scan it and it'll bring it up to the website for what the product is. Now, we're looking at the remote control right now, and it brings up everything that you need to know on the remote. Then you can actually scan the other QR code and it comes up with all the information on the actual item itself, the box itself. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box, see what we got. Yeah, it's plastic, it feels good. The cord is very heavy, I like that. Let's see what else we got. Nice, the BT400 remote from Buzz. They do a good job with that. They even have the QR code on the back of that too, in case you need to find out how to pair your remote or what have you. Now, it comes with the BuzzTV logo printed USB port. I like this for the PowerPoint so you don't get it mixed up with anything else. This is your actual cord, your power cord to it. And it goes to the USB-C and it plugs in right here. That's how you power the box up. And then we're going to go ahead and use the PowerPoint, put in the USB there, and that's how you connect the power. Flip out your tongs to plug it in with, and that's exactly how you do it. Let's say what it comes with. It comes with the box, comes with the batteries, comes with the PowerPoint, comes with the cord, and it comes with the remote. As I said, here you have the HDMI connector that you just plug it directly into your TV. This is kind of the dongle that hangs off. That's your reset button on it. You do have an Ethernet. You have your USB there, and then your power. Not bad. Now, I'm going to have a link in the description for this. This is the adapter I was talking about, where you don't have to put it into the back of the TV. You can just put it into an existing cord. Okay, we're going to go ahead and boot it up from start, but if you could, do me a favor and like this video along with subscribe and hit that bell notification. I sure appreciate it. Now, the first thing it does when it comes up, you're going to have to pair your Bluetooth remote by pushing the select button and the home button at the same time. And what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and scan for that so you can put it into the system, and it kind of pairs it to it. So it says it's found, and then you go ahead and choose your language, your time zone, and then your TV, 1080p by 60 hertz. Now, this here you use as a zoom in, zoom out to make sure you get your full picture on your TV. It's kind of nice to have that. Then you're going to go ahead and put in your information to connect to the internet, and do it successfully. As soon as you do that, it's going to come up and check for updates and download any updates. So just hit that and walk away if it starts. Let's go ahead and do a new reboot now that everything's in there and it's going to go into the actual system itself. We'll see how long it takes. Here we go. Almost. There you go. 40 seconds to boot this one up. Not bad. Oh, okay, the specs on it. It runs the Android 11 with the AM Logic S905Y4, not the X4, quad-core Cortex A35. Has the Mali G31, 4GB RAM, 32 built-in storage. Has a dual-band Wi-Fi, 1 USB. Okay, let's look under the hood and see how close they are. They are running the TV Droid Logic. It is a 4-core, 4GB RAM. Looks good. Okay, everything's good there. Here you're looking at the Mali G31. That's what we're looking at. Now, our screen resolution I have on here now is 920 by 1080, which it'll run the 4K. It's not a problem there. It's just that's what this screen is. Does run on the Android 11 Red Velvet Cake. Now it's been running for a while now, and thermal temperatures inside 53.1 Celsius. Now here's all your codecs. It has everything you're going to want. It's just like its big brother, the X5. It comes with the AV1, which everybody needs, the awesome codecs, and it just does everything you're going to want to do. Okay, let's go to the interface now. On the home page, on the Android TV look, if you want to add any of these programs onto your home page, you just want to go ahead and click one of them. It's going to ask you, put it on the home, say yes. Let's go ahead and do a couple more of these and we'll go back to the home page. Got to get YouTube. As you can see, it places them right there for you on your app section. You can also click on all apps and go from there. Now let's go ahead and look at the Buzz remote control setup. As you can see, it is connected. We can go to the auto TV setup. What that does is going to tell you exactly. Now, like I said, I'm hooked up to an LG computer screen, but it'll do that for you, so it gives you the code you need to actually hook it up to your TV itself. It does have the black backlight on and off features. Now you can set up the actual colors of the remote to just anything that you have, any apps that you have in here. So let's go ahead and just do YouTube real quick. We'll go ahead and use green and go to PVR. Let's do that. Well, let's go ahead and hit the YouTube. And it brings it right up for you. Now let's go ahead and go up here to the settings on the very top, and it'll bring up a little menu area so you can go to all this stuff that, quick connect right to what you might need. It'll show you here in the about section the factory reset if you need it, what model it is, Android 11 or whatever it's going to be. Then you can also come down to restart or storage, and as you can see, storage is a 32 gigabyte. We're down to 26. You can add Bluetooth remotes, earphones, whatever you need. And the power key definition is shut down or restart. It's usually I just go shut down. But you can do picture mode here where you can actually adjust your colors and so forth, standard, cinema, and so forth like that. And then you have the Buzz utilities. These are kind of cool because you can change your home screen and kind of, the looks of it and stuff like that. And you go to it from here also. Go to your weather settings, Check your locations. Go to your remote control. Backlight on. All right, let's go ahead and look at the live TV. What that is if you do have a service, an outside service, if you do the Mac address style, you put it right here, HTTP, and then your actual URL to it. You can do it with the XC API login, and then the M3U playlist. Now we're going to go to YouTube on this and just see how it runs, and go to your very favorite YouTube channel. Yeah, it plays good, works well, it's fast. Hey, and by the way, have you watched the new Tangoula X5 loaded TV box review yet? You should. You do that after watching this video, because we're giving it away for free, thanks to Tangoula. Now I have a link to the video and the end credits and so forth, plus in the description for you. So okay, back to it. Now you see what I'm talking about? This ain't bad at all. I mean, I really like it. I think it works well. I think it's something that you might want to get. It has a lot to offer, okay? It's better than a stick, in my opinion. It performs better. If I had to, for price and performance and so forth, I would say probably maybe 3.8 to 4 stars out of this one. Buzz did it again. They do a heck of a job. Are we gonna give it away? Maybe. Keep an eye on this video when I do an update. I like giving stuff away, but I also do it because y'all out there subscribe and like my videos and so forth. So I think you're really gonna like it. You know, I think I can get you free shipping, but I do have a discount code. I can get you 10% off right now. Hey, and I appreciate it, guys. If you're not subscribed, please, if you would, subscribe now. It really helps the channel out. Liking the videos helps the channel out. Hit that bell notification, by the way, next to the subscribe when you do that. That way you will be notified when I put out another video. I don't just put out a bunch of videos to make videos, okay? That's why you'll have some time lapse in between videos for me. So you're not gonna get a bunch of notifications. Hey, you know, go see this video every day. I don't do that. So you'll be good about hitting that. You'll be notified in case we give stuff away, and that way you won't lose out.